What's good, Tribubers? Your boy Chug's back again today. We are looking at the Backwood. B-A-C-K-W-O-O-D. As you can see, you are a little hero guy running around. So this is just a basic upgrade weapon, upgrade utility, and try and survive as long as you can. Horde-like feature like in Gears of War. Enemies coming at you round after round. This is the starting screen. All these are little NPCs or characters that you can choose to be. Go up, click E on them, and you can change and pick whoever you want, and you can run around as them. You can be a little frog guy, you can be a little king dude, you can be a little doggy, whatever. Right. Looks like it's somewhat of a kaiju or something, but yeah. So without further ado, I'll show you how the game works. I've been having quite a bit of fun with this game. I'm unsure about how the whole tokenomics work within the play to earn realm of it, but I'm pretty sure it is an airdrop that will be coming out soon enough. There is a leaderboard and stuff like that. Leaderboard looks something like this. Not doing too well so far, but I've only just kind of started playing. Keen to get into it a little bit more. Now, you get more points for referring people, you get more points for staking NFTs and stuff that's within the game. I don't have any of that, so I'm a complete free-to-play player, and I'm just playing the game. But the whole point of this YouTube video was to show you that I'm actually enjoying playing a game on Web3 without there needing to be a basis of how I'm earning, right? It's not always about how much you can get back. Sometimes it's just a good game to play for a bit of fun. And this is one of those games. Again, if anything happens out of it, great. It's a bonus, love and life. If not, totally fine. So up here in the corner, you have 20 energy total. That means that each time you play the game, it is 5 energy. So you get 4 goes total per day, and then it resets your energy. I'll show you what the game is like. All you do is run into this normal, hardcore, or the cup. Now, the cup has only opened up today, and you need to register for it. I have not yet done that. I'll just show you guys normal to start with. I have been playing hardcore, just trying to get through it. Normal is just a little bit easier, a bit more casual. So essentially you start off with a weapon. Right here you can see I've got some knuckle dusters, and creeps come at you, and you just left, right, up, down, whatever, try to get away from them. Now you got your health bar in the corner. You can see I have 100 health right now, and enemies just spawn at you, and you hit them away. You try and out-survive them and live as long as you can without dying. And it is quite fun. Potions drop, coins drop, chests drop, and then after every round that you survive, so there's 2 seconds, 1 second, and round survived, you get to pick from a bunch of items that are up here at random. You can re-roll your items. You have your stats on the left-hand side here. As you can see, your max HP, damage, armor, attack speed, etc. Each one of these things have a cost. You can lock them in for next turn if you cannot afford it. My coins that I got last wave was 444, so I should probably do something with them. I will buy another ranged weapon, and I'll spend this, and then I'll probably just go for my life. Now, if you do not get your potions, they do survive until you pick them up, and the waves get harder and harder. All of a sudden I've got things shooting at me, and I'm still trying to punch with my knuckle dusters and survive. Now, you can see here on the ground that I got a chest come up. Actually, there's a second chest, so there's 2 chests. Again, I'm still picking up my coins. Now, if you don't pick anything up at the end of the turn, everything does get collected and goes into your inventory. These items here are from the chests that I picked up. Now I can choose to sell them if I want, or if I'm stacking something like engineer, which is like building little towers to help you, then that's probably a good way to go. I do want to keep my speed, and I do want to keep my range. I'm just going to re-roll because I don't like the look of any of them. You can get different tiers of weapons. So you got your basic grey weapon, then green, blue, purple, and then orange. Essentially the same as World of Warcraft, did I say? It's the exact same order of color, normal to legendary. That's kind of cool. If you play games like that, you kind of know what you're looking for based on the colors. I'm going to get another set of knuckle dusters, and I'm going to right click and merge them together. Now you can see that I have a green knuckle duster there, so it's a slightly more powerful weapon. If I click on that weapon, it kind of shows me how much damage I'm doing, my attack speed, and my range. And then I'm just going to use the rest of my gold to get these items. Here you go. Here, there's an epic. So I can't afford that. It's 960 gold. I'm going to lock that in for next turn. I am going to get this vase for 16 armor. And then I might lock that as well, because that's going to allow my brass knuckles to turn into a blue weapon after this. And I've got 168 gold, so I'm going to spend 120 on that. And then I'm going to merge them together as well. So now I've got 2 green items, and I'm ready to go for the next round. I'm pretty much back on full health. And I'm just going to go around. I've got some guns, I've got some stuff firing. Essentially just a full kite sesh and smack them. But I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. Again, you only get 4 tries a day, 4 games a day. And I kind of wish you had more. It's quite exciting. It's quite fun. Again, if you've played anything like World Wide Web 3, then you know what I'm talking about. This is a very similar game, and I've shown a few videos on that before. So I'm just going to get my knuckle dusters. I'm actually going to keep them both out for this game, and you'll see that I'll have 2, and they're both going to attack independently of each other. And I'm just doing that until I find the... No, I just ate that bullet. Until the creeps aren't getting killed fast enough. But right now, I'm kind of just going to bash them down. But again, having a lot of fun with this, and it's very easy to die. Those little pink bullets do like 20 or so damage, and next round it gets even harder again. And there's these little plant things that spawn, and they shoot like 6 of them things in multiple directions at the same time, and it gets quite intense. So I can't afford this, and I'm yet to see what this does, but I really want it for next turn because I want that 400 range. So I'm going to just sell one of these knuckle dusters, and I can't afford it, so I'm going to sell my staff as well, and then get that. That does 339 damage, 0.6 attack speed with 400 range, so heaps of range. I reckon it's full Gambit style. They're full poker cards. They look sick. So let's see how this goes. Going to give it a play. Level 5. Ooh, look at that little poker card. So there's those flowers that I'm talking about. Oh, they spent 3 that time. Okay, so in hardcore mode, which I was playing just then, they do shoot like 6, which is a lot harder to dodge. This is actually quite easy, so I can see why people play casually. It is a lot easier. A lot of the movesets aren't as hard, and that's totally fine. And I can kind of just like cut them around quite easily. But when there is 6 of them coming at you, like, even then I just ate it, you know. So the spawn rate's quite fast, and you kind of want to be cutting the correct direction. Luckily, they do have potions that drop. What's this card do? It'll come back to me. That was cool. I'll play a little bit more, and you can see how it kind of looks for yourself. I'll try to get up to the boss, and you can see that at level 10. Quickly get some health on the ground, and you'll see the boss come out of play. Oh, here he is, big gorilla, charging at you. You see his health bar in the middle of the screen. Oh, and then he kind of charges at you. If you've got other things around, it's hard to target him, but if you can kill everything and get him by himself, you can waste his face pretty hard. Oh, there you go, you just die. Easy, done. Let's do it, 22 seconds left. Round. Hey, bro. A few chests there, that's good. That's what I like to see. It is quite fun, it is quite exciting. So I do suggest you guys give this a go. Again, the Backwood is what it is called. It is free to play. You just need to connect a wallet. I connected my Magic Eden wallet as that was a choice to do so. And I don't really use that for much. And also, because I don't have much on there, so it's kind of using it as a burner wallet of such. But yeah, as you can see, my gold keeps going up. 2,600 gold now. I can start buying some serious stuff. Let's go, boss round. Bring it. Who's it gonna be, baby? Who's it gonna be? Ah, the Pharaoh again. So this is the guy from the level 20. Maybe he comes out with the level 10 guy as well. That's been a common theme in different games. Maybe it's just him by himself. I don't know. I find these things hard to dodge. He's dead. Alright, well, that was not as hard as I thought. Maybe the boss is random. I don't know why it'd be the same boss again. This is good, guys. I wonder how far I'm gonna go. So that's level 30 for you. I'll another 34 seconds left. I should be good. I've got a good start to this game. A lot of attack speed, a lot of movement speed, a lot of potions on the ground. Yeah. So play it by ear, but essentially, as long as I don't die by being an idiot, that round is over. Ah, victory. Wave 30, time 26 minutes, 20 seconds. Score 24,165. I don't know if that's good or not. Could be shit, could be amazing. Figured I'd show you level 30 as well because I got here. Time to move on to hardcore permanently now and go from there. Hardcore is a whole lot harder. For now, your boy Chug signing off. Go play this game. If you get something out of it at the end, great. If not, have fun while playing it. Try and get top of the leaderboard. Verse me, hit me up. Let's go. I'll go, yeah. Peace. Chug's out.